guys. All right. I would like to start some guided reading so that you have a chance to do some word studies and reading just like we did when we were at school. So what you will need today for guided reading is you will need a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a dry erase marker and an eraser. This is an old sock. It's clean though. Yeah. All right. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to practice some snap words. They're also called sight words. And they are words that you know in a snap. You don't have to sound them out. You don't have to concentrate on them. You know how to write them down right away. Kind of like the word the or on, or there's probably a whole bunch of them that you guys have. So we're going to practice some of them so that you have them in a snap and you are ready to use them with your reading and your writing. It's good for both of those things. All right, our first word is the word with. So you're going to either write it on your piece of paper or you're going to write it on your whiteboard. The word is with. I'll say it slowly. Let your ears help you. Let your ears hear the sounds. With. Is this what you have? If not, that's okay. Go ahead and fix yours. Make yours look just like mine. All right, is it the same? Awesome. If you're using a whiteboard, erase it. If you're using paper, don't worry about it. You don't have to do anything. All right, our next snap word is the word went. Went. Remember, say it slowly. Let your ears help you. Went. Is this what yours looks like? If not, that's all right. Go ahead and fix it. Make it look just like mine. That's why we're practicing. If you have it, great job. Nice work. All right, here we go. Here goes our last one. If you're using a whiteboard, erase. Otherwise, just leave it on your paper. You don't have to do anything. Our last word is the word down. Down. What sounds do you hear in that word? Write it down. Take a second. All right. Here's down. Does yours look like mine? All right. Go ahead and fix it up if you need to. We're all learning together. All right. Great job. So you can erase if you want to, if you need to, and then go ahead and set everything to the side because you don't need it now. Now, if you got signed up on the Literacy Reader, you will have a book assigned to you, and you can go onto your account and just open the book on your own. But I don't think anybody did that yet. So that is totally fine. What you'll do is you'll just read the book in the video. What you might need to do is pause the video, and that's totally fine. You always remember, it's one of the fun things about e-learning is you can pause the video whenever you need to and then come back to it later. So let's take a book walk through the book that we're reading today. It is called Oliver Makes a Mess. So Oliver is this kitty right here on our screen. And Oliver is left home by himself one day, and he is a very naughty kitty, and he does naughty things around the house. So let's just go see what naughty Oliver did today. Oliver Makes a Mess by Will Renton. All right, well, here's Oliver. He's in the kitchen and he's up on the counter, which is very naughty. Kitties are not supposed to be on the counter. And oh no, on page 3, he dropped the jam on the floor. Now the jam went everywhere. Now that's a big word, everywhere. Let's clap it out. Are we ready? Everywhere. It's a big word. Can you find it on the page? What sound does everywhere start with? Eh, eh. When you find it on the page, go ahead and put your finger under it so that you can show us where it is. That's everywhere. So the jam is everywhere. Can you see that? It's all over the floor. Oliver doesn't care. Yep, doesn't care at all. So he leaves. He goes out into the living room. So there he is. He's sitting on the windowsill and he's eating the plant. Oh my goodness, what do you think is going to happen? Yep, you're totally right. He dropped that plant and the dirt went everywhere. There's that big word again. Can you find it on the page? We're on page 6 now. Do you see it? Put your finger on it. Yep, there it is again. And that dirt went everywhere. Think Oliver cares? Nope. It says on page 7 that next Oliver went into the bedroom. See that word next? That's a word you're going to use a lot in your writing. It's called a transition word, and it helps to go from one thing to what's next. So, put your finger on the word next. What sound are you hearing at the beginning? What letter do you expect to hear at the beginning of the word next? All right, did you find it? Great job. All right, let's go see what this naughty kitty does now. Oh, Oliver's in the bedroom. He's up on the dresser. Oh, do you see what you think is going to happen? This is not going to go well. I know it. Oh, he dropped the powder, and the powder went everywhere. There's that word again. Can you find it? I'm not even going to tell you what page it's on. It's either on 10 or 11. Which one? Do you see it? Put your finger on there. Look for that first sound. Eh. Got it? Great job. Think Oliver cares? I'm thinking not. He hasn't cared with the rest of the messes he made. What a naughty kitty. Nope, he didn't care at all. Look at that cat. Fell asleep right on the bed after making a mess all over that house. What a naughty kitty. Okay, we are going to go back to the beginning of the book, and you guys are going to read it on your own. Remember what I said. I'm going to pause on each page, but if you need more time to read the pages, just hit the pause button in the middle and take as long as you need on each page. All right? So here we go. Okay, now that we're all done reading the story, I want to ask you guys a couple questions. Where did the story take place? Where was Oliver at the beginning of the story? Where was the first place that Oliver was? You can rewind the video if you want to, or if you have the book, you can page back through. Yep, Oliver was in the kitchen at the beginning, and we know that because he was on the kitchen counter and there was jam, which happens in the kitchen. All right, where was he in the middle of the story? What happened next? Do you remember? Yep, He was in the living room. That's when he was eating the plant on the windowsill. You could tell by looking at the pictures and using the words. And where was Oliver at the end of the story? Where did he go last? Yep, he was in the bedroom. And you know that because he was on the dresser and in mom's bed. And those are in the bedroom. And remember, you can use the pictures and the words to remember things like that. Great job reading with me today. See you soon.